YouTube? I'm making a really short video, and I was made aware this week that a lot of my videos are lacking in one thing, and it occurred to someone else, and they let me know. So it occurred to me that my videos are lacking cowbell. So we got cowbell. See? Cowbell. Now our videos will have cowbell. So anybody who begs to differ that we don't need more cowbell, we always need more cowbell. Cowbell, cowbell, cowbell. Cowbell. Don't forget, like, subscribe, eat more bacon, and you'll probably see the stupid cowbell in a couple more videos. You might not hear it, but you'll see it laying around. Like, subscribe, eat bacon, tell everybody about my channel, and love the cowbell. And don't forget the drumstick in the way. Yeah. Bye.